Mind if I sit? Put this down. Welcome to my page. Video Confidence Coach is what I do. I help people with confidence in front and behind the camera to lead their small business to greatness, as well as build their personal brand. I just want to welcome you to my channel and have a look around, see if any of the titles grab your fancy. And if not, that's fine too. I'm here for you, whatever you need. Ask your questions and I'll do my best to help you out. And hopefully you can teach me some stuff too. I love to learn more about your business and how we can help each other out. 'Cause that's what business is about.